Alright, let's get this sandwich party started. We've got all the players here: chicken, veggies, sauces, the whole shebang. Time to make some magic happen in the kitchen. First things first, gotta get that chicken cooked. Into the pot it goes with some spices for good measure. While that's simmering, let's get those veggies prepped. A little butter in the pan. Then in with the peppers and onions. Sauté them until they're soft and fragrant. You know, just right. Alright, chicken's cooked. Veggies are ready. Time to combine forces. Shredded chicken meets sautéed veggies in the bowl. Then comes the fun part, a generous squirt of your favorite sauce. Mix it all up until it's a beautiful, flavorful mess. Now for the assembly line. Butter those bread slices. Slather on that glorious filling. And top it off with another buttery slice. Next, melt some butter in the pan and get ready to toast these bad boys to golden perfection. The sizzle is real, folks! And there you have it, a plate of golden, crispy, toasted sandwiches, ready to be devoured. I mean, just look at him. These sandwiches are seriously calling my name.